Hello everyone, welcome to MYP Biology. Today our topic is going to be about the relationship between species in a community. So let's get started. First of all, let's look at the relationship in a community. So, as a community includes all the different species living in a certain area. So, living in the same habitat, different animals have to interact with each other. So, this is the interactions that occur between them that we call the relationship. There are different kind of relationship that we're gonna look at today in this lesson. So, let's find out what kind of relationship do animals have between each other. So, first, a relationship is going to be competition. Two or more population or species compete for the same resource in a community. It can be food or space. So competition actually helps and limits the population growth. Symbiosis, permanent relationship between two or more different organisms, which that at least one of them benefits from this relationship. There are three kinds of this symbiotic relationship. It's parasitism, commensalism, and mutualism, which we're going to look into them. So, first, commensalism, a relationship in which one species benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed. So, an example for the commensalistic relationship is a shark and remora. Remora gets the protection and obtain food from the scratch of the shark's food, but the shark doesn't get any help or harm from this relationship. Parasitism, a relationship in which one organism benefits but the other one is actually harmed, such as mosquito human relationship or the tapeworm and human relationship. That tapeworm and mosquitoes get the food but humans actually get a harm from this relationship. We call it parasitism. Mutualism, a relationship in which both species actually benefit. So, such as insects and flowers, insects help the flowers to pollinate, as well as the nectar of the flower helps the insect to be fed on. Lesions, it's the mixture of the algae and fungi which they live together. So fungus take the photosynthetic food from the algae, and algae take the hyphae from the fungus, and which creates the lesions. Sea anemones and clownfish is also an example for the mutualistic relationship. So the clownfish actually attracts more fish to the sea anemone, as well as actually sea anemone protects the clownfish from the other big predators. So, now we've got an assignment, difference between predators and parasites. What kind of differences we see in predators and parasites, we're going to look into in the class, and we're going to answer this assignment. So you've got data-based questions, red and gray squirrels. You have to solve the problem, which is in your book. Red squirrels are native to Northern Europe and Northern Asia. Gray squirrels are native to North America, but they were introduced to the UK in the 19th century. But over 22 years, between 1960 and 1982, biologists recorded the presence of both species. Using the data shown in the graph, which of this relationship could have caused the changes? Predation, competition, parasitism, or mutualism? As you see in the data, the number of the gray squares, that over the years the red squirrel's presence decreased while the gray squirrel's presence actually increased. So what caused that these changes? So we're gonna find out this one. The second database question is about the Canada lynx and the snowshoe hare. So the Hudson's Bay Company bought furs from the trappers in northern Canada for many years, and the number of furs from the snowshoe hare and its predator, Canada lynx, fluctuated in response to the change in the size of the two populations. So there are just three questions that you have to answer. The number of hares follow a cyclical pattern of the rises and falls. How many cycles are there between 1845 and 1935? And calculate how long each cycle lasts on the average. And the lynx also undergoes like cyclical changes in the number of similar time periods, but change occurs after those in the higher numbers. Suggest an explanation for each of these changes. So now, also there is one assignment for you to read about the worm therapy, why parasites may be good for you. This is about the BBC article that I would like you to read about the worm therapy. We're saying that all parasites are very harmful for the human, but some parasites actually may be good for us. Read the article that we're going to discuss in the class about this article. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.